Today we're going to talk about ironworker safety. The ironworker is one of the most universal machines in the fabrication shop, but it does come with its fair share of hazards. The biggest concerns are cuts and pinched or crushed hands and fingers. However, when ironworker machines are used properly, they're just as safe as any other properly used machine in the shop. The following safe work practices will help you protect yourself from the most common hazards associated with ironworker machines. Always wear safety glasses when using an ironworker and at all times in the shop. Also, be sure to wear protective gloves that are suitable for the job. Never exceed the capacities of the ironworker or its tooling. Read the operator's manual provided by the manufacturer before using the machine. Also, be sure not to use the machine for anything other than its intended purpose. Make sure all of the safety guards are in place and in good condition. Be sure to use them every time you make a punch, shear, bend, or notch. Check all of the blade clearances at every tooling change or when you're performing extended operations. Also, check punch and die alignment after every tooling change or when you're performing extended operations. Be sure to keep the pipe notch tooling clean. Make sure that the material you're working with is supported and don't stack materials. Secure the material in place with the material hold down before operating the machine and stay well away from all moving parts once operations begin. Before making any kind of adjustment or change in tooling, be sure to read and carefully follow the instructions provided in the operator's manual provided by the manufacturer. When making adjustments or tooling changes, carefully follow your company's procedure for controlling stored energy, such as locking out the machine before service. Keep the ironworker clean. Remove filings, scraps, and other things that start to accumulate on the machine. Always turn the ironworker off when it's not being used. Never leave a powered up machine unattended. These are just a few practices that you may employ in order to keep yourself safe while working with the ironworking machine.